Hey guys, I am back for episode 40, if you can believe it, of my lip color of the day series.
My makeup.
Yes, I have some helpers in here today for this one. Today we're going to be doing the Splash Liquid Lipstick again. This time it is in the shade Sentimental.
Yeah, this one, yellow.
Kind of a bright pink, I think. Maybe it matches my shirt. We're about to find out. Okay, so there you have it. It's kind of a pinky purple. It's pretty bright and beautiful, and I hope you guys liked it. This one is the shade Sentimental. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.